Hey everyone, I wanted to introduce you to a new course that has been uploaded on the Just Django website, and that is on building a video membership website with Django. It's been over 2 years since the last video membership course was uploaded here on YouTube, and so this one comes with all the latest updates to the Stripe API in particular, but also just a very simple and minimalist way of achieving a video membership business logic. So that being that you have to subscribe using Stripe subscriptions in order to gain access to certain courses. So in this particular example, we have 3 courses. One requires that you just have to have a free trial. One requires that you be on the basic package, and one requires that you be on the pro package. If you're on the pro package, you have access to everything. Likewise, if you're on the basic package, you also have access to the free trial courses. We can go to this course and we can see just a little bit of the description about the course, and we can then go to the first video but are required to log in. So if I go and sign in and I go to my subscription, you can see right now I'm on the free trial. So if I were to go to courses and go to this first one, we can go to the first video and we can see this video because we have access. But if we go to another course and we go to this video, you can see we don't have permission to view this course, so we need to enroll in order to gain access. So if I go to the basic and enroll for that, and just enter a dummy credit card number and hit pay, then if we go back to our subscription, you can see now we're on the basic package. If I go back to courses and go to view this course, and go to that video, you can see now we have access to that video. So that's what we're going to be building in this course. We're going to be using Stripe and Vimeo to achieve the logic. While the UI isn't the prettiest thing, we're mainly focused on showing how to implement the business logic to actually manage a video membership website. So again, you can find this course by going to learn.justdjango.com, where there is not only this course, but a whole bunch of other courses, and in fact, entire roadmaps on learning Django from scratch and becoming a professional Django developer. So I'm excited for you to get started on this course, and I'll see you there.